Imagine you're managing a YouTube channel with thousands of subscribers, and every day you need to upload content, schedule posts, respond to comments, track performance metrics, and optimize your videos. It's a full-time job, right? But what if I told you that with just a few lines of code, you could automate much of this tedious work and reclaim your time? Automation is transforming the way content creators run their channels. From automating video uploads to scheduling content and tracking performance, Python can handle it all. And today I'm going to show you exactly how. First, why should you even consider automation? Well, think about it. The average content creator spends hours managing their channel, from uploading, scheduling, and optimizing videos to responding to comments and analyzing performance. There's a ton of behind-the-scenes work, but with Python, we can write scripts that handle these tasks for us. Automating YouTube management can save you time, reduce human error, and keep you focused on what really matters: creating content. Now let's dive into how you can start using Python for YouTube automation. The key tool here is the YouTube Data API, which allows you to interact with YouTube's backend programmatically. With the API, you can perform tasks like uploading videos, managing playlists, and fetching analytics data. But before you begin, you'll need to install Python and get your API credentials from Google's Developer Console. Let's start with one of the most time-consuming tasks: uploading videos. Normally, you drag and drop the video into the YouTube uploader, add titles, descriptions, tags, and hit publish. But with Python, you can automate this entire process. Here's a simple Python script using the YouTube Data API to upload a video, add a description, and set it to publish at a specific time. Once you've written this script, you can upload videos in bulk, set publishing schedules, and manage your channel's content effortlessly. Another time-consuming task is responding to comments. It's crucial for engagement, but it can be overwhelming when you have hundreds of comments. With Python, you can automate responses to your most common questions or comments using the YouTube API. For example, you can write a script to automatically reply to every comment that includes the word question. This way, you can keep your audience engaged without spending hours typing responses. Finally, let's talk about analytics. Tracking the performance of your videos is essential to growing your channel, but manually sifting through analytics data can be a chore. With Python, you can create scripts that pull analytics data for you, such as views, watch time, and subscriber count. You can even automate the creation of reports, so you get daily or weekly updates on how your channel is performing. With scripts like this, you can focus on interpreting the data rather than manually gathering it. So there you have it. By using Python and the YouTube API, you can automate everything from video uploads to comments and performance tracking. This frees up your time and lets you focus on what really matters: creating amazing content. If you're ready to supercharge your YouTube workflow, try out some of these scripts and take your channel management to the next level.